Hello everyone, I'm Natraj. So in this video, I would like to explain how do we protect against coronavirus. So how to protect against coronavirus. So we already know 2 million people are infected with the coronavirus, they are positive and lot of problems already created. So we are in lockdown. Now we need to protect against coronavirus and should be guaranteed that we are not going to infected. Therefore, I want to propose a new system where we breathe a clean air and we can stop corona to get into us and infecting us actually. How do we do this? And what is the new system? That what I would like to explain in this video. Presently we are using the mask. So the mask will have a lot of problems. So because even medical personnel, our doctors are infected with the coronavirus. Therefore, we want to understand like how it's spreading and how to stop this spread, how to kill every virus is come out from a positive patient. So therefore, I would like to propose a new system. So with this, I believe that we can protect against the coronavirus. Let us understand what is this and how it should work. So this system is, I want to make it very simple, so therefore not be complicated. So here we want to propose a mask system. So let's say, so we are using the mask and then we will try to breathe via mask and we want to protect ourselves. But the mask which we are using is not protecting us because we can't provide everyone 100% filtering mask, but we suggest them people to use the cloth mask or some regular mask, so which is not protecting us. We'll see like what is that and then how do the new system will protect us. In case of new system, so we are proposing a single molded inverse bucket system. So this is a one single molded, I assume like it's simple bucket, or you can say a round shape one, or shape maybe anything, so it should fit against our head. So therefore the air will not pass via this system. And then to breathe, so we are proposing here a multi-layer a cloth. Okay, let's extend this. So here, so we'll fix a multi-layer cloth over here. In a simple form, so let it be a multi-layer cloth here. Now, via we breathe this cloth. So air comes in and comes out. Air comes and comes out. Now the advantage of the system is, so the whole head is protected by this mask or this helmet. You can call it simple helmet or headgear. I'll call it the headgear. So this is the headgear. And now, so here you have multi-layer cloth. So you can also have a filter cloth here in between. So for a pure air comes in and a pure air will be goes out. Even there is a virus, you will not breathe out to the system. But when you compare to the regular mask, so if you take a regular mask, so it only fits in front of your face and you need to breathe out in this area. So when you breathe forcefully. So therefore the air you push hardly and then you take hardly. So compared to this, here the force is more. So therefore there are chances virus can come into this. Not always, but there may be chances. Because why it is? Because even some medical professionals are get infected, because that makes a lot of worry. And also this mask will not always fit properly against your face. So there may be gaps somewhere. Okay. So therefore the mask is manufactured for everyone, but your face may be a little different. So therefore each person's face is a little different. So therefore the mask which sits on the face, so there may be some gap somewhere. So in the ear this side or in the nose side, somewhere there is an opening or there is a air flows into that without filtering it. So there is a problem here. Whereas if you use this type of system, so here the cloth fit against your neck, so along the neck, and we will have some rubber over here, so therefore it smoothly fits over there, but it will not allow the air to get into that. So it completely covers the complete neck and it sits on the whole head. So therefore air will not enter in any directions. It only has to enter through this multi-layer cloth or the mask. You can also use the mask actually. So if it's a normal person, okay, multi-layer cloth will do the job because you are living in a non-positive or what you call the hotspot where some people are positive. Okay, but if you are living in a hotspot places, you can always use this only class system. And also, reduce the chances of virus getting to that, because you are breathing with a lot of space. So therefore, and also you can turn this. Okay, if you are using now, later you can little turn this. Therefore, you can breathe via this cloth. Therefore, it will give you a much better system than this mask. Second thing is, cleaning this is very easy, because there's a bucket and there's a cloth here. So you can use a sanitizer in a napkin or in a kerchief or in a small cloth. So you can wipe it once. Even inside you can wipe it, and then you can dip this into the soap water. Once it's dried, again you can able to use it. So dipping the whole system inside the bucket with the soap water or the sanitizer will be easy. And also cleaning, it's very easy, and it's you can use regularly. It's a reusable. You can use it daily. There's no problem. So you don't need to throw it out. Whereas the mask, after using, you need to throw them. So therefore, that's again a big problem. Every day, if you keep throwing the mask, so that itself becomes very huge. Now already we are making billions of masks. So that again, all wasted, and to manage them itself is a big risk actually. So disposing a big risk. But whereas in this case, it's not much, because this same can be utilized on everyday basis. Now, let's see how to improve this. So let's make much more improved version. So in order to improve this, we are proposing basic system with one piping system. So therefore, let me provide a rubber pipe, one simple plastic, flexible plastic pipe. So now assume that this is a plastic pipe or a pipe. So here we can have a filter here. So an alcohol based filter. So use the mouth, and then you can forcefully push the air out of this from your lungs. And also you can breathe in via pipe. So sometimes you need a more air, okay, fine. So therefore you can use this pipe, and you can breathe via pipe. And now, so because you are using a multi-layer filter over here, so the filter is much bigger than the normal cloth, and the pipe size is very small, therefore you can have a good filter, it may be cotton with sanitizer, or we can specially design filter. Therefore, when you take the air in here, so therefore it definitely will stop all kind of viruses coming to your lungs. So if essential, you can use this pipe, and you can breathe via this pipe. Sometimes, so not always. So once you adjusted that, then this pipe is not required. So therefore you can breathe via comfortably with this. This is the one system. Next, we would like to improve a little bit more here. So instead of pipe just breathing via mouth, we can provide a system. So you can provide a motor system. So via motor system, we can able to send the air to this whole system. So here we propose a motor system with filter. A motor system. So here is a small motor, electrical motor. So probably for electric motor we require a backup. So therefore there is a backup device over here. So this is the battery. Fine. So with the battery we can run the motor, and there is a pump over there. So this pump will be connected to the filters. So there is a filter chambers here. So first here go to the first filter. So that air will be cleaned. So therefore all dust, everything will be cleaned. Given there is a virus, it will be filtered. So in case there is some virus is very smaller, so it can enter the second chamber. So where it will have such a system, so where it will kill all the viruses. So it is alcohol based, particularly when you talk about coronavirus. So it can have an alcohol based filter. So therefore once it enters this chamber, it will stuck over there and it will be destroyed. And the pure air will enter to the pump system, and then it will send to this pipe. So it will enter this chamber. So based on requirement, maybe you have an electronic system over there. Just keep sending a pure air into the system. Now you are getting only the pure air. It gives a guarantee that no virus will get into the system. So therefore you are given 100% guarantee that this system will filter out all the things, even dust particles, even smoke, even poisonous gas. So it only sends you the pure air. So therefore you are guaranteed that you are only getting the pure air. So it gives 100% guarantee because we are filtering it here. And also you can say that it's covered. Now we can cover with the rubber also. Therefore no air can get in there. Otherwise we can cover with the 100% mask, 100% filter mask. Only air can go here. So not anything else. Therefore it gives a much more mileage now. So now this is, because this system works, means this is 100% a protection layer. So for only air can enter here, nothing else. and also washable. So therefore you can, because we are not using regularly over there, so therefore you can use this protection mask. So only for the purpose for air to pass, nothing else. And also it's a washable. So now the whole system is washable, and we can remove easily this system. And you can dip this once after usage, you can dip into the soap water, or you can use the sanitizer to sanitize it. Therefore, so none of the virus can get into this system. Let's give 100% guarantee, because we are pumping the pure air after filtering it to the system. So in order to announce this, let's say there may be possible, like no, I may be positive, or someone is a feel like positive, because what we breathe out should be filtered. So instead of passing via this permeable membrane, so what you can do is you can add one more pipe. So you can add one more pipe. Sorry, somewhere, okay, so it's suitable to this. I will take it here only, or I'll take it bottom. Fine. So maybe here you can take one more pipe. So we suck the air here, and then again pump over here. So then it's a filter here. So this air again will send to this sanitizer filter, or alcohol based filter. So the air will passes through the filter, and then a pure air will be sent to the system. So any virus from this system again will pass through the filter, it will stuck into the filter, will be destroyed over there, and only pure air will be sent out. So therefore we have two systems. So one is we are sending the pure air via here. So there is a pure air getting to this, and the air we breathe out will be taken out, and it will filtrate again, and it will send to the environment. Therefore, we totally control the air and the virus. So we are not sending any virus to the system. Even if you think the person is positive and you breathing some viruses, so we take out that virus, you take out that air along with the virus, and then we send it out via filter. So therefore it tests all the viruses. Therefore you are not breathing anything out. So therefore you give confidence along with all the other peoples, even in a boardroom or in discussion or wherever the emergency installations, wherever people has to work. So in a group, so therefore if they wear this kind of mask, then they'll give guarantee that they'll breathe only clean air, and also they'll breathe out again clean air. So if even they contain the viruses, that will be destroyed over in this filter. So therefore this system, I'll give 100% guarantee that people can breathe a clean air, and also when they breathe out, even there is a virus, that will be cleaned or destroyed. But compared to this regular mask, it gives more mileage, because in a regular mask, you only cover your face. As I told already, the mask is made for everyone, so they not fit properly to your face. So there may be somewhere some small openings, small gap. So the air may flow through the gap. So that's the one thing. Second thing is, when you breathe out, you forcefully have to breathe out. When you breathe in also, you have to forcefully take the breathe. So therefore this goes for 8 hours or 10 hours, there may be chances like something is getting. That can be avoided over here. So there is no chance, because the wall is plastic, or is a multi-layer glass, or any other material. So combination of plastic, rubber, and some flexibilities. So therefore it gives a guarantee that so that no virus get into the system, or no virus come out of the system. So to enhance this, you can also make this back side. So instead of completely plastic, very hard in the back side. So therefore you can provide a rubber one. So therefore you can provide only half of this, and other one is the multi-layered cloth or the rubber. So therefore now this is a rubber. So and also you provide a zip system in the back side. So therefore we can open it easily. So we can expand here from the next side, and you can open. Otherwise you can provide a zip system. You can open rubber. So therefore a flexible material. Therefore you can have a zip. You can open from the back side and you can use it. So it's closed. Now let's propose for the one more mask for the positive people. So if person is positive, then how do we do this? So this system will be there. So now we will extend this mask to some more extent. So now this mask so it will be extended over here. So now you can spit, or you can cough, you can throw something from your mouth. Okay, it's always falls over here like. So it's absorbent material. So and also it will have a material to kill all the viruses. So it will be alcohol based, so some liquid. So therefore when it falls over here, so it absorbs and also kills all the viruses. Therefore you are not sending any virus to the outside. So the system which already there, pumping system, will present again here. So it will have two pipe again. So one is to send the air in and to take out the air from the system. So therefore you can send the air over here and we can take out the air. So that we can filter both the air. So therefore no virus can enter to the system or no virus can get out in the system. So this system will give more protection against the coronavirus and is give a guarantee that so virus will not enter into this chamber. Therefore you can always breathe the pure air. Hope this solves the problem what you are facing today, and this element you keep on improve it. So we can improve this providing additional electronics for this, or you can have a communication system out to this, or you can have some small openings over there necessarily, and we can use a permeable material so we can hear properly and we can whatever we speak will goes out to the from the system. So that I'll explain in the next video how to improve this the whole system. Thank you. And if you'd like to reach out, so please